It's been a rough day for holiday decorations that are up, especially the inflatable type. The strong winds have blown all day long. A lot of gusts topping 30 miles per hour, some up around 40. And checking our live camera view, a couple of things we can see here. We're looking out over parts of Poplar Bluff. The flag, of course, is standing out, but the camera is being whipped around so much, actually making the image a little tougher to see. We expect these winds to continue to blow all night long. It's going to work to keep temperatures up, and there are also the south winds ahead of the next cold front. The cold front will arrive tomorrow morning, and when we check the threat tracker, that means the best chance for rain is coming in tomorrow morning. Now, the biggest chance for rain for most of the region is between midnight and 6 a.m. If you sleep in just a little bit for Thanksgiving, you'll miss most of the rain. Western Kentucky, it'll be just a little bit later. But even once a cold front moves through, gusty winds, and those winds are going to push in colder air. So be prepared for that. Threat tracker bar, though, at the low mark because I just don't see an enormous impact from it, but some brief heavy rains in the morning if you're out traveling or maybe you're smoking your turkey and you're outside could be a bit of an issue there. Friday, a little different for Black Friday. Some sunshine possible, but much colder conditions coming in, looking for lows in the low 20s. I'm concerned for folks that might be standing in line to get those best deals. Make sure you're dressed for wind chills that could be around 10 degrees at their coldest. Saturday, just warmer. We got a little warm up coming early in the weekend and then another cold front, a little bit of bouncing around going over the next 4 or 5 days. For tonight, mostly cloudy skies bring a small chance of showers by midnight, a big chance of rain afterwards. But temperatures really not expected to move much at all. We're sitting in the mid-50s right now and looking for sunrise temperatures maybe close to 50, and then tomorrow afternoon into the 30s. That's the air that shows up back here. Parts of South Dakota already seeing readings in the low 20s. So there's some really cold air that is headed this way. In between, a whole lot of clouds showing up, but not a lot showing up on radar. Starting to pick up a line of showers right now, stretching from Chicago to Oklahoma City. It's not real impressive, not real heavy, not a lot of it yet, but as the forecast maps show, we expect that to continue to build as we move through the overnight. And by early tomorrow morning, there you go, about 4 o'clock across southeast Missouri, southern Illinois. Not so much in western Kentucky at that time, but then around sunrise, the showers sweep through there. By midday, the rain is out of here, and by tomorrow evening, it looks like clouds will start to break up a little bit. Now, because the rain is moving so quickly, I don't expect a lot of real big totals, but as we look at the rainfall projections here, the dark green, we're talking about a ½ inch, maybe some 3/4. I don't think there'll be many spots see an inch. It should stay less than that. And the light green suggesting less than a ½ inch, and I think that's more likely in most of our rain gauges. Remember the Storm Track 3 app. Download it today. Today is the last day of the contest. You can win $500. One winner will be announced on Monday. Good luck if you've downloaded it. For tomorrow, the big chance of rain coming in the morning. It will be another windy day with temperatures falling. I put 50 and 40 on there. It may be a 53 at midnight tonight, and it may be in the 20s by midnight tomorrow night. It's just going to be that kind of an upside down day. Friday, a beautiful day to look at, quite a bit of sunshine, but temperatures in the morning in the low 20s and only into the mid-40s in the afternoon. So even if you're shopping in the afternoon, make sure you are dressed appropriately. Sunday looks like another windy day. Another little weak front bumps through here. The next chance of rain is a tiny one and shows up around midweek next week. So I do think we'll get a run of maybe 4 or 5 dry days in there. And that chance of rain on Wednesday is so small, some of us may get a week's worth of dry weather. Could be some good news there.
Yeah, we'll take that at least.
Yeah, and